Dead Sea Mineral Facial by Cecil Cosmetics is an intensive cleansing, radiance and glow series. The main actives it has is Dead Sea Minerals, Moroccan Argan Oil and Korean Sika. It is available in 4 different types. First one is oily, dry skin, anti-aging and anti-acne. For this facial, you would need a bowl and spatula, warm water, blackhead remover, steamer is optional, disposable face wipes, cotton pad, a pair of scissors, and Dead Sea Mineral Facial Kit by Cecil. Step 1 is pH Balance Face Cleanser. Just take out the sachet, cut it, and remove all the product and apply it all over the face. Now, using warm water, emulsify the product all over the face, avoiding the eye area. Once the product has been emulsified properly for 3 to 4 minutes, using warm water and wet cotton wipes, wipe off the complete face. Step 2 is Detan Fairness Pack. Take out the product from the sachet and apply it all over the face, avoiding the eye area. This product should be massaged slightly all over the face, and a thin layer should be applied and leave it for almost 10 to 15 minutes before wiping it off with cold water. Step 3 is Hydra Toning Gold Fairness Gel. Apply this gel all over the face. You can apply this gel even on the eye area and give a gentle massage for 2 to 3 minutes. No need to use water and let it absorb completely. Step 4 is 3-in-1 facial polish. Apply this product all over the face and emulsify using warm water. Avoid the eye area completely when using the facial polish all over the face. So scrub for 5 to 7 minutes and then wipe off using warm water. If you want to do steam, do it on top of the face scrub when it is applied and remove blackheads after the scrub is wiped off in warm water. Step 5 is Lip Lightening Scrub. Apply the scrub all over the lips and using your fingers, emulsify using warm water slightly all around the lip area and on top of the lip area. And step 6 is Depigmentation Eye Gel. Apply the L gel around the complete eye socket area, making sure that it does not penetrate your eyes. Massage slightly with your ring fingers for 2 to 3 minutes and then wipe off your lip scrub, and you can leave the eye gel as it is. Now do deep tissue facial massage cream all over the face. You can use warm water to emulsify the massage cream if needed. Then wipe off using warm water just in case you need to wipe off. Step 8 is Dead Sea Mud Mask. Apply it all over the face with the help of brush and leave it for 10 minutes. Avoid eye area. After 10 minutes, wipe off using cold water and tissues. Then step 9 is Vitamin C Whitening Cream with SPF 50. Massage it all over the face and let it absorb. With this, your Dead Sea Mineral Facial is finished. Thank you.